I am here at the AI Summit London with Rick Gosalvez, a product manager at HP. Rick, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Enjoying the event so far?
I am loving the event so far.
Wonderful. All right, so we are here to talk about a new product from HP. So do you want to give us a quick intro?
Yeah, so we've brought quite a few products to the show. We have a portfolio of solutions that are all geared towards developing AI on premises. And my colleague just spoke about a product called Z-Boost, which is a fantastic product to get to the GPU that you own. And what I am bringing to the show is called AI Studio. And it's all about developing AI custom on premises.
Okay, amazing. And so this is about the full, are we talking training here? Are we talking inference, all of the above?
It's primarily the training side of things. So it's really about our users, what they're trying to do is get into the AI space with their data without building AI on somebody else's system. So they want to bring it on premises, have control because they have policies and concerns around their data, logic, and IP going somewhere else. They want to do that in control, get it right, and then expand it out.
And when we say on premises, you mean literally in the physical location. So that the data is not leaving the perimeter. So it's security, I guess. Data security is a big part of this.
Yeah, absolutely. The drivers are privacy, security, and cost control.
Okay, excellent. Okay, and so when did AI Studio launch? How's it been going so far?
Yeah, it's been going great. So AI Studio came out in a kind of a beta version about a year ago, and we've been testing and working and growing it ever since. We just did a hackathon where we had hundreds of users using the system and delivering results, which was fantastic experience. And at this show, I'm excited to announce that we've launched 2 new features that anybody can get to today. And the first one is Blueprints, which allows you to click, just add your data and create your own AI on premises. And then you can customize it the way you need to. So if you are an AI developer, it just gets you started quickly with recommendations and tools so that you don't have to scour the internet to figure out what do I put together to get a result that I'm looking for. Okay. And the second one, I'm sorry, is a free version. So we've had a lot of customers ask, how can I get my hands on it? How could I try it? And so we've made a free version available, and you can go to hp.com/AI Studio and download it and try it for yourself.
Okay, amazing. And so when we talk about building an AI, developing your own AI, are we by and large talking about custom large language models, or is it like all sorts of different types of machine learning and AI?
Yeah, so initially we've really kind of helped create blueprints and acceleration of creating AI around Gen AI. And so a lot of our use cases initially are around Gen AI, but the system also allows you to do deep learning, computer vision as well. So it is quite an extensible system. But our initial blueprints are around Gen AI and some of the integrations that we have in collaboration with NVIDIA and their NGC catalog. Okay,
great. And so you've also been taking part in a panel discussion at the event this year, I understand. So do you want to give us an intro? What was the panel discussion about? How did you get on?
Yeah, no, absolutely. So we do a lot of work with NVIDIA. And so through one of our collaborations, we teamed up to integrate 5 NVIDIA technologies to bring agentic workflows to a workstation, which is a pretty big deal because agentic it's a new thing. It's all about giving an agent a goal, giving it autonomy, and letting it self-evaluate, self-regulate itself so that it can make decisions for you. And there's a lot of fear out there. What does that mean? How does it work? How do I make sure that it's not going to do something on my behalf that I don't want it to do? And so what we're doing with NVIDIA is kind of bringing that to on-prem so that AI developers can do that, experiment, iterate first on their systems before they get that out to the next level of systems. And so our talk was about agentic AI on premises.
Seems like a lot of people at this year's event are talking agentic AI. It seems like the big theme of the year. Is that how you see like the rest of, over the next year, maybe the next 2 years? Is that how you see the field developing? Is the agentic AI that's really going to drive progress?
So the Stanford Research Institute estimates that over 80% of digital transactions are going to be through agents in the future. And so there's certainly a push in that direction for automation And so I think this time next year, you'll start to see that actually roll out. This year is a lot about experimenting and building trust.
Awesome. Well, look, as we wrap up, is there anything that you kind of want to get across about the products that you're launching at the event that we haven't discussed so far?
Yeah, go to hp.com/AI Studio and try it for yourself. We're going to be releasing at the end of the month the agentic blueprint that I mentioned. So you can literally go there, download everything, click, give it a try, and then customize it to suit your workflows.
Awesome. All right. Well, look, thanks very much for joining us.
Yeah, absolutely.